In this fourth video about toolpaths, I will show how to import toolpath templates. In this example, I saved my toolpaths from my guitar files. Click on this folder icon to import the templates. In versions 10.5 and 11, we can create groups and subgroups. This is very good for finding a specific path easily. If you are working with a file with several sheets, it will ask you if you want to open only the current page or all of them. This will depend on your job. Here I will only use them in this sheet named body. There is an error there that I believe Vectric will correct soon. Main groups are expelled from subgroups, and it's important to name them properly so they don't merge or disappear from your file. So the video doesn't get long. Let's take it easy. Identify empty groups. In my case, I identify the head of the group with the name of the sheet it is in. I click on it and drag it up. For a better visualization, I minimize the subgroups. Click and drag into the main group. Arrange them as you wish. I organize them by guitar parts or separate them by bit types. Here we see that the pocket group was also left out. Pickups, electronics and neck are subgroups of the main group, pockets. I use a lot of pockets to make my bases. This would be very confusing without adding more subgroups. Let's repeat the same on the other side. The back of the guitar is always simpler than the front. Ready. The main group is isolated here. Same process. We drag it up and put the others inside it. Did you notice that my subgroups have different names for each side? In the next video I will explain why. I want to thank you for signing up and for increasing your participation. YouTube helps channels with more activity, and with every number of subscribers and views they offer more features that benefit us all.